Hey y'all, this is me reinstalling the Wendy wig from my website on Jeannie Head, and I use lace tint to tint her lace, also Ghost Bond glue to apply her wig with. I did 3 layers of glue, making sure each layer was dry before reapplying the next layer. So I was combing down to make sure that her lace laid flat instead of curling up, because it can curl up. Also, where the lace was lifting, there was no glue. I made sure that I put some glue behind her hairline instead of too far down, because that was too much work. If you put it too far down, you have to wipe all that glue off. So as you can see, I'm using a rat tail comb with some glue at the end of it, and lifting the lace and putting some glue where it needs to be. So I'm just continuing to comb down, making sure that her lace is flat and making sure that it's secure to her scalp. Now I'm going to bring in my hot comb, bring in some heat, because this is what we need for the lace melt effect. Also, be very careful when doing this, because I have burned her like twice. Now I'm coming in with my elastic Bawsehair band. Get you one. So I won't be talking too much more after this, but you will be seeing me coming in with my wax stick. She's Bomb Wax Stick. I love this wax stick. You can get it from your local beauty store, or you could go to her website. I don't actually know her website, but just look it up. Also, so yeah, I'm not going to be doing too much talking, because it's like self-explanatory from here on out. So enjoy the rest of this video or listen to the music.
Not very good with people. If you don't start a conversation, we won't have one.
So when I get things right, I do a happy dance.
Not very good with people. If you don't start a conversation, you won't have one. Good with people. If you don't start a conversation, you won't have one.